Hello, how are y'all doing? Alright, we're gonna just set things up a little bit. Pop out chat. Hello, who are you? I forgot. I shall just stalk it here. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm creating a horror game that's inspired by puppet horror games. Yeah. So here is how it currently looks like. Just the first level. And I'm pretty much spoiling quite a lot of things, so I probably won't change much of the first level because I'm not a guy who likes to change the foundation of the games that I make. And it's taking quite long. Alrighty, so that is... Yep, we have our flashlight. Then we have our instructions over here. We can jump, crouch, and we have LMB and interact. So we can interact with this node with LMB. Let me check the audio. Yeah, it should be running smoother. And here is the mall. I'm pretty sure I call it Spade Mall. Oh no. Yeah. So there's a bunch of stuff you can look at here. That's their logo. And here is the map. Yeah, storage room up here. Over here we have a lot of these. I don't think anyone will go here, but it's just a tiny little detail on how on the details I put in. Yeah. Oh, texturing. These I borrowed this from cc0textures.com. Well, it's not really called cc0textures.com, but it's called ambientcg.com. So you can take a look at that. There's a ton of free textures, but well, some of the texturing I did by myself. Here we got a Blindstone. Toby's gift shop. Yeah, there's a few lighting glitches over there. Should probably get that checked. Yeah, pretty interesting shop. Deja vu. Alright, with the mall here, and then I'm planning to add a little like dark figurine behind there. So if anyone were to pay attention, they will walk past here. I'll set up a trigger zone, and then there will be like a shadowy figure standing there and then walking away. Just makes it look creepy, doesn't it? And we have an elevator. Yeah. So on level 2. Okay. And this, I think the sound design in this place is quite unique. It doesn't really sound realistic, but it sounds satisfying enough. And what I really like about this is, yeah, it's the lighting over here, the reflections. It looks cool. I'm not sure, like, what this is. We have K-Love there. And we have McGuire. Wait, be right back. Alright, so we have quite a lot on the menu right here. Then we can sit down somewhere here, wait for our meals, and yeah, that's it. Alright, wait, did I not ground this? I don't think I grounded this. Check that later. Alright, so if you're wondering what like these types of zones are, these are triggers. So they get the job done, you know, triggers, all that. So you can pick that up. Yeah, so whenever... Okay, why is it so bassy? Is my game haunted or something? I can't believe this. Yeah, I was gonna play this like ambient music, but I mean, it is like the feel of it looks PS2 kind of PS1, PS2 kind of feel. That's what I'm aiming for. So yeah, it does look a bit unpolished, but it's partially intentional, and I haven't really well, the physics in this are quite terrible. Oopsie. To be honest, I'll just lo-fi hip-hop non-copyright, please, so that I don't get scared by my own game. And it isn't even loading. Alright, the last time I got one of these, it kind of copyrighted me about 50 times. Alright, let's hope for notifications. Cool. And I think my thing is frozen. And I logged off YouTube, great. Hold on a minute. Yeah, I should do that. Thanks for the advice. Yeah, oh yeah, this zone does do something. So this. Yeah, these are the vents. You can't pick these up. So then, I don't really have a lot of. I only made one other horror game, so I wouldn't say I have a lot of experience in horror game design. I mostly do, shooters, parkour. Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, so you go in here, then this trigger zone doesn't really work. I mean, it doesn't really do anything in the first place. When you open this, you need a storage room key, so... Yeah, then that's the door. Cool. Trying to sip some of my latte over here. And then once you step into this zone, the entire the power to this entire place goes off. Yeah, I should probably like delete the ambience. It's really loud. Yeah, and then once you enter this, the power of the lighting entirely goes out. Wait, what do you mean quiet? Yeah, and then you get this very sinister view. Oh, hi, Bata, so... Yeah, so a lot of these zones over here, they trigger a sound, a very echoey sound. Wait, yeah, that's for the flashlight. And this one triggers a sound. Yeah, I promise it will sound more menacing when it goes on. We have Toby's gift shop. And this this zone, it activates it's a ringing phone, so... Oh, yeah, you can hear the you can hear it, right? Chat. Yeah, then once you activate, go here. the entire thing powers on. So now you got the basement key. Wait, the ambience as in like the sound that I just disabled, right? So once you open this door, and then open this, and that is the transition to the very next room. Which yeah. And the cool thing about this is that it's kind of seamless. It's like in Half-Life 2 and Half-Life 1. They have like a few frames where you notice that the thing is the scene is transitioning, but other than that, yeah, you can't really notice this transition. So let's see here. Okay, something went wrong there, but yeah, more or less. Here is the car park over here. We have one lonely car, one lonely car, and then this bloody the story is that some guy got murdered here, then dragged off into there. Go away. Wish I could say that. That's you have to do a bunch of parkour all over the place. Yeah, one thing you might notice is that the items that I just had disappeared, so I'll code it so that it doesn't disappear in between scenes. There. Parkour. Then the blood, it trails. The blood texture is actually just an extended, an elongated version of that. Then well, cover your ears because it's quite this sound is quite loud. And it does it twice. Yep, and then we have water. Yeah, I'm not sure what's happening with the transition system. I'll look into that. A ladder here. And then this is where I leave off here. A dead body, given up for some ritual thing. Hey, look at that. This is all built in Procreate by my school iPad, by the way. Look at that. Hey, wait, you mean the footstep sounds? The clunky? Yeah, that's where I left it off. Though I do need to settle some game manager issues. 5-second delay. Yeah. Yeah, it's quite old. Yeah, we're making the future. I say that, but you know. I mean, yeah, there is a 5-second delay, I know. What's that? Batis, what's a rare frag never? Yep, that should do the trick. I should probably address the issue over here. So I'm trying to fix the transition between scenes. Yeah. I have this debug console over here. You press tab and you can enter any command. So let's say I want to teleport to a position that I marked out. In this case, yeah, this should work. Yep, there I go. The transition works good. Alright. So, the next step. Just to get this note to work. Alright. For that, let's go into Pixlr. And I know how cringe this this letter might seem, but delete that. Okay, so the concept of this is there are 4 types of ghosts, and the first ghost is Peter. Peter. Now every ghost has its own way of working. Let me get my notebook out. Like Peter is the very first ghost you have to encounter. Yeah. Yeah, Peter Griffin. Does this work? I can't even adjust it. Alright, Peter, I know his attack is probably very overused in horror games, but he only attacks if you do not move. Bloody. Yeah, there's a local font thingy I can do here. Right. Scary fonts. Yeah, scary on. I have. Is there an adjective for that? Unreadable. Ah, there we go. I mean, I still. What is that? I still want it to be readable, but it looks unreadable. Yeah, I can just say messy font. Now perhaps this. Hold on, what is this? Yeah, whatever. Nobody cares about that. Rowan, I love song. Hey, but it kind of looks like some like people wrote the same letter 5 times. Look at that. All right. Let's see how messy this photo. Oh, jeez. Yeah. I think it's a little too unreadable. Perhaps this, maybe. Mumsies. What? Mumsies. Looks good enough to me. Yeah, there's some serious lag right there. What should Peter's? Yeah, then Peter's a child, by the way. He should be 12. Yeah, so, alright, the story goes that this guy, he was abused when he was a little kid. And yeah, that's probably the lamest story, but he was abused as a little kid, and he would get punished if he moved. So that's a lame little excuse to put into a game. He's kind of lame. I said the guy who's writing this is he's a murderer. He's the psychopath of this thing. Yeah. Actually, yeah, I want this guy to like not be sure that this guy got abused. Yeah, probably. I think this is good enough. This is node underscore 2. And for this, the node sprite is node 2. Now I want to get rid of this blood because, you know, it doesn't really fit. I'll just hide this and then I'll create a new layer to draw on. Okay, good enough. No, I don't really want it to be a blood spill because, you know, the node itself, it's not really, well, you can't really see any blood on it, can you? I should probably put this as mark this as blood. I can just say written paper here. I think I can just reduce this all the way to 64, and I'll put it as bilinear. Oops. Oh. One for no. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I think that's readable enough, I guess. Yeah, so this guy, why am I still underwater? Oh yeah, that's because the debug console. Alright, cool. Into the abyss. Alright, so, back. Alright, so the next part is we have to create an arcade. Yes, arcade. Problem is, I have no idea how to, so gotta take some inspiration. Alright, so, if you can tell already, this is very inspired by Security Breach. So this is an abandoned section of a mall, so it's very big. Yeah, like an entire football stadium or something. I think that could work. now make this quite big. Yeah, I want there to be some kind of door here. No, yeah, it's supposed to look like incomplete. So yeah, and this arcade is quite big, but this is the space that's built in is bigger. It's gonna look quite incomplete. So, and because this part is abandoned. There we go. There we go. I mean, there was a time I built a game. Then there was an error popping up that explained that my Pro Builder mesh was a bit too big. All right. All right. FNAF security breach. I want to look at some of these. Oh wait, FNAF security breach is coming to. What is that? Why is that furries here? I want this to look a little bit like this. You know, you have like a very big underground place, and then you have a tiny restaurant. It gives a sense of scale, basically. Probably get my muffin. Gonna be quite hard to construct. Yeah, so then the name of this arcade is called Arcadia. It's where Peter went every day. Wait, that's a place in security breach? What? Oh no, that's a fan environment. Yeah, that just look like it really stands out to me for some reason. Alright, it's gonna be quite big, so I need to make this an entirely new cube. Yeah, it's a two-story arcade as well. Chaotic, I kind of hate world building, but you know, it's part of game dev, so I have to do it. Cool. Yeah, I enjoy the coding much more, but yeah. I can't select this low. Great, now I select anything but that. Oh, finally. Yeah. Goofy cube. And I have to go in a few minutes. Yeah. Arcadia. Pro builders. I think the options for the stairs only occurs if you have this. Can I please? Luckily I have there is this. Okay, no, it's not gonna be that steep. Okay, what? What is that? It is cool though. Spiral staircase. Cool. And these stairs can go into Arcadia. Ground. Static. Alright, it's gonna be quite neon lighted. A new teleport point here. Why am I in water? Uh, movement instance does not equal to null, then player movement dot instance that is water equals false. So if we teleport the player out, then they wouldn't be stepping on water. Yep, I think I might need to end the stream right now.